Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bakes and Cooks. Today I've come up again with a very interesting recipe that is how to make a caramel sauce. So here I've taken a clean saucepan. Into this I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. And I'm also going to add 30 ml of water. Now let's place it on the stove and cook till I get the desired caramel color. Before it starts boiling, let me give a stir. Later on, I'm not going to touch the caramel. So you can see it has started boiling. I'm just going to swirl the saucepan like this. We should never stir once it starts boiling, otherwise there will be formation of solid crystals. Let me swirl again. So you can see slowly the color is changing, isn't it? Look at the bubbles. Be very careful while making this caramel sauce. I'm going to boil till I get the desired deep golden brown caramel color. You can see that the water has completely evaporated and now the sugar is getting caramelized. See that you don't burn yourself with that caramel. I want a deeper color than this. So let me cook for some more time. I really love the deep caramel color. Wow. I'm in love with it. So this is the color that I want. So mesmerizing, isn't it? So for the time being, let me switch off the flame and add around half cup of fresh cream into it. Do you know why I have switched off the flame? In order to avoid accident. What I feel is that since the caramel is so hot, while adding the cream into it, it may spill on me. So I usually do that. I switch off the flame and later on, after adding the combining the two ingredients, I switch on the flame again. So I have switched on the flame now. Let's cook till they are well incorporated. I'm keeping the flame on medium. They are well combined, you can see. Yes. Now I'm going to add one last ingredient into it. Let's scrape the sides nicely. I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to cook this till the butter is completely melted. We need to keep on stirring continuously, otherwise it will get burnt at the bottom. And one more thing, I'm keeping the flame in between low to medium. Just have a look at the consistency. It has got a flowing consistency, isn't it? But then it's not that watery, it's thick only. Yes. So now the butter has completely melted, you can see. I'll cook for another 30 seconds. After that, I'm going to remove the pan from the stove. Yes, it's done. Now let's remove it from the stove. Once it cools down, I'm going to transfer it into a clean container. Here is the jar I'm going to pour into it. This caramel sauce remains very fresh for a month also. This I'm telling you from my personal experience. The only difference is that it becomes a little bit thick. So whenever I feel like having it, what I do is that I take it out from the fridge, dip it inside hot water and keep it like that for some time. So later on it becomes of the flowing consistency. Let me tell you, the taste is so rich and creamy that you'll really enjoy having it simply like that also. So do try this simple caramel sauce. It doesn't take much time. You can have this with anything of your choice, like you can drizzle on ice creams, desserts, or anything that you want to have with. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. And yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you'll get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.